So, you've seen those TikToks or Instagram posts promising a $750 gift card from bulktester.com just for writing a review. Sounds like easy money, right? Here's the honest truth. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Let's break it down. First, Bulk Tester and its copycats, like 750review.com, are flagged everywhere as scams. The real goal? They want your personal info, your name, email, phone, even your home address. Once you hand it over, it's sold to advertisers or worse, used for identity theft. Now let's talk about those never-ending tasks. You get sucked into a loop. Surveys, app downloads, just one more offer. But no matter how many hoops you jump through, there's always a new requirement. People have done 15, even 20 tasks, still no gift card. The progress bar? It resets, or some random error pops up. And those viral employee exposes the truth videos? Totally fake. Most are either AI-generated or just stolen clips, made to look legit and lure people in. Here's the math. Real survey sites pay a few cents, maybe a couple bucks per task. Nobody's handing out $750 for a single review. It doesn't add up. Already gave them your info? Don't panic, but act fast. Change passwords for any account with the same email. Keep an eye out for spam or weird login attempts. If you shared credit card details, contact your bank immediately. And definitely report the scam to the FTC or your local authorities. Bottom line, don't fall for the hype. Protect your info and think twice before clicking claim now on any unbelievable offer.